Hey guys, it's me again, Ron Villaflor TV. So for today's video, we have a Taikas unboxing review. So you know what this is? On a Civic Type R, scale 1/64. Here we go. Made in Japan. Honda, the power of dreams. It's very hard to use this. There we go. There we go. So without further ado, let's go and open up. Here we go, guys. Again, Honda Civic Type R. Here's the face. Got your red Honda badge and our sleek design. Very concept looking and sporty performance as well. Honda Civic Type R. Now the suspension is good. Even the spoiler, love the spoiler. Got your shark fin antenna. Got your hood scoop for more airflow on the engine. Sleek design of the taillight. This is a 4-door. This is a Honda Civic Type R FL5. Here's the exhaust. Got your chin spoiler alert, your skirts. This is actually pearl white or white exterior. So I'm planning to collect again, starting to collect diecast because I love cars. This is my passion. I love this car. This is my dream car. So yan, bili na kayo guys. 329 pesos lang po sa Toys R Us and Shopee and Lazada. Yep. And by the way guys, it's actually have a red bucket seats Recaro, original one from Honda. Love it. So there you have it guys. I hope you enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Once again, this is Ron Villaflor TV. Goodbye. I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.